Hello gardeners. Today I want to share with you a very useful top dressing for plants. After its application, the plants will begin to grow rapidly and abundantly tie the fruits. And we will talk about ordinary citric acid, which everyone will definitely have at home. The fact is that citric acid is very useful for both plants and soil microflora. Citric acid itself is not a complete fertilizer. But on the other hand, it is an excellent activator of those fertilizers that you applied to plants. I think many of you have faced such a problem that in spring or autumn you have fertilized the beds, planted plants in them, for example, tomatoes, cucumbers or peppers, but they do not grow. This means that the fertilizers did not work, or rather, the fertilizers introduced into the beds are in an inaccessible form for assimilation by plants. Fertilizers seem to be there, but there is no sense from them. And here we will be helped by feeding with citric acid. It is necessary to dilute 1 tablespoon of citric acid for 10 quarts of water. And then pour half a quart of this liquid under one plant. And you will see how your plants will quickly begin to grow leaves and lay a large harvest. And all because plants will be able to absorb fertilizers that are in the soil. You can make 2 such top-ups per season with an interval of 2 weeks between them. As many of you have already guessed, if you have not applied fertilizers to your plants, then there will be little benefit from this top dressing. Therefore, do the top dressing correctly and get a huge harvest. To whom the information was useful, put a like and subscribe to the channel in order not to miss the release of new videos.